Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Training. Do you want to speak English like a native in your daily life? Today, we will learn 500 most common English sentences. This is the only video you need for daily conversation. If you watch this until the end, you will master real-life English. You will be able to speak English naturally without thinking. We will use shadowing. It is simple. Listen and repeat after me out loud. Are you ready to change your English? Let's get started right now. How are you today? I am doing well. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Have a good day. See you later. I am very busy. What time is it? I am hungry. Let's eat lunch. Where is the bathroom? I am so tired. I need some coffee. Can you help me? Thank you so much. You are welcome. I'm sorry. It is okay. What do you think? I agree with you. I don't know. Can you repeat that? Speak slowly, please. I understand now. I am lost. Where is the exit? I am looking for my keys. Open the window, please. It is cold today. I like this song. What is your hobby? I love watching movies. I am at home. Call me later. Send me a message. Wait a minute. Let's go out. I need to study. My English is improving. Do you have a pet? I have a cat. It is very cute. I am happy today. Don't worry about it. Take it easy. What's new? Not much. I'm bored. Let's do something fun. What's for dinner? I'll cook tonight. Can you set the table? The food smells good. I'm full. Who's washing the dishes? I'll do the laundry. Where is the remote control? Turn up the volume. Turn down the lights. I'm going to bed. Did you lock the door? I slept like a baby. I have a long day tomorrow. My phone is ringing. Pick up the phone. I'll call you back. Who is calling? I'm busy right now. Leave a message. My battery is low. Where is my charger? I'm checking my emails. Send me the link. I'll text you the address. I'm surfing the internet. The Wi-Fi is slow. Restart your computer. I forgot my password. I'm going to work. I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be late for the meeting. Let's start the presentation. Do you have any questions? Let's take a break. I need to print this. The printer is out of paper. Where's the stapler? I'm working overtime today. Let's grab a coffee. It's my treat. What would you like to drink? I'll have an iced Americano. With a little sugar, please? This coffee is too hot. I like this cafe. Do you come here often? Let's meet at 3 p.m. That works for me. I'm looking for a gift. How much does this cost? Is it on sale? Can I get a discount? I'll take it. Where is the fitting room? It's too small for me. Do you have a larger size? I'm just looking around. I need a grocery bag. Where is the milk? Check the expiration date. I'll pay by card. Keep the receipt. I'd like a refund. The weather is beautiful. It's going to rain today. Don't forget your umbrella. It's freezing outside. Put on your coat. I love the spring. The flowers are blooming. It's a bit humid. I'm sweating a lot. The sky is so clear. Look at the sunset. I'm feeling a bit under the weather. I have a sore throat. You should see a doctor. Take some medicine. Get some rest. I hope you feel better. I'm on a diet. I need to exercise more. I'm going to the gym. I lost some weight. You look great today. I like your hair. Is that a new dress? Where did you get it? It suits you well. Thanks for the compliment. I'm so happy for you. Congratulations on your promotion. I'm cheering for you. You can count on me. Let me know if you need help. I'll do my best. Don't give up. Everything will be fine. What's your favorite food? I love spicy food. I'm a big fan of pizza. Have you tried this before? It tastes amazing. It's a bit too salty. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm starving. Let's order some food. What's the specialty here? Table for 4, please? Can we have the menu? I'll have what she's having. Please bring some water. Enjoy your meal. Can I have a napkin? This is delicious. I can't eat another bite. Can I get a doggy bag? Check, please. Let's split the bill. Where is the nearest bank? I need to withdraw some money. Is there a pharmacy nearby? I'm looking for a bookstore. How do I get to the station? Is it within walking distance? It takes about 10 minutes. You should take a taxi. Turn left at the intersection. It's on your right. You can't miss it. No problem at all. I'm looking for a job. I have an interview today. I'm a bit nervous. Just relax and be yourself. Tell me about yourself. I have 3 years of experience. I'm a hard worker. I'm good at multitasking. Why do you want this job? I want to learn new things. We will contact you soon. I got the job. I'm so excited to start. My first day was great. My coworkers are very nice. I have a lot to learn. I'm going on a trip. I need to pack my bags. Did you bring your passport? Where is the check-in counter? I'd like a window seat. How long is the flight? I have a layover in Tokyo. I'm staying at a hotel. I'd like to check in. Is breakfast included? What's the Wi-Fi password? Can I leave my luggage here? I'm going sightseeing. Where's the best photo spot? Can you take a picture of me? This view is breathtaking. I want to buy some souvenirs. Where's the local market? I had a wonderful time. I'm back from my vacation. I missed home. Let's catch up soon. Long time no see. How have you been? Same as usual. You haven't changed at all. What have you been up to? I've been quite busy. That sounds interesting. Tell me more about it. I'm sorry to hear that. That's too bad. What a coincidence. Small world, isn't it? I totally forgot. It slipped my mind. Don't blame yourself. It's not your fault. I'll make it up to you. Can you do me a favor? Sure, what is it? Can you lend me a hand? I'm happy to help. You're a lifesaver. I owe you one. No worries. Don't mention it. What's on your mind? I'm just thinking. I'm in a good mood. I'm feeling blue today. Cheer up. Don't be so hard on yourself. Everything happens for a reason. I'm so angry. Calm down. Take a deep breath. I'm so surprised. You scared me. I'm proud of my kids. They are growing up so fast. Time flies. I'm so bored. Let's watch a movie. What's playing at the theater? I've already seen that one. Let's watch a comedy. That movie was hilarious. I was moved to tears. The ending was unexpected. I highly recommend it. I'm going to a concert. I'm a big fan of this band. The music is too loud. My ears are ringing. I love dancing. Let's go to a club. I'm a bit shy. Don't be afraid. Give it a try. You're doing great. I'm impressed. You have a talent for this. Keep practicing. I'm learning to play guitar. It's harder than it looks. Don't give up. Practice makes perfect. I'm interested in art. Let's go to the museum. This painting is beautiful. Who is the artist? I'm taking an art class. I'm not very creative. Everyone is an artist. Just express yourself. I'm going to a party. What should I wear? Wear something casual. I'm looking for my glasses. Did you see them? They're on your head. Oh, I'm so silly. I'm getting old. You're still young at heart. Age is just a number. I'm going to the park. Let's have a picnic. I'll bring the sandwiches. Don't forget the blanket. The grass is so green. The air is fresh. I feel relaxed. I'm going for a jog. I'm out of breath. My legs are sore. I need to cool down. Drink plenty of water. It's important to stay hydrated. I'm going to the beach. I love the ocean. Let's build a sandcastle. Watch out for the waves. I got a sunburn. Put on some sunscreen. I'm going for a swim. The water is cold. I'm having so much fun. Summer is my favorite season. I'm going to a wedding. They make a lovely couple. I'm so happy for them. Let's make a toast. To the happy couple. I'm going to a funeral. I'm so sorry for your loss. My deepest condolences. He will be missed. I'm going to a birthday party. Happy birthday to you. Make a wish. Blow out the candles. Here is your gift. I hope you like it. It's exactly what I wanted. How old are you now? I'm 30 years old. You don't look a day over 20. I'm going to a supermarket. I need some eggs and milk. Where is the produce section? Are these tomatoes fresh? I'll take a kilo of apples. Is there a bakery nearby? I'd like a loaf of bread. Can you slice it for me? I'm looking for some snacks. Where are the potato chips? I'm trying to eat healthy. I'll buy some salad. Do you have organic food? I'm going to a department store. I'm looking for a new suit. This color looks good on you. Can I try this on? It's a bit tight. Do you have a larger size? I'll take this one. Where is the cashier? Can I pay by credit card? Do you have a loyalty card? I'd like a gift receipt. I'm going to a post office. I want to send this parcel. How much is the postage? I want to send it by airmail. When will it arrive? I need some stamps. I'm going to a library. I'm looking for a novel. Can I borrow this book? When is it due back? Is there a quiet place to study? I'm looking for a magazine. I love reading. Books are my best friends. I'm going to a barber shop. I'd like a haircut. Just a trim, please. Don't cut it too short. I'd like a shave, too. I like my new hairstyle. You look much younger. I'm going to a beauty salon. I'd like a manicure. What color would you like? I'll go with light pink. My nails look great. I'm going to a coffee shop. I'll have a latte. Can I have it to go? I'd like a muffin, too. Is there an empty seat? I'm waiting for a friend. He's always late. Speak of the devil. Sorry I'm late. I got stuck in traffic. That's okay. No problem. What have you been up to? I've been really busy at work. Let's talk about something else. Have you heard the news? No, what happened? It's all over the internet. I can't believe it. That's crazy. I'm going to a movie theater. 2 tickets for the 7 o'clock show. Where would you like to sit? Somewhere in the middle, please. Let's get some popcorn. Do you want a drink? The movie's about to start. Turn off your phone. That was a great movie. I really enjoyed it. Let's go for a drink. I'll have a beer. Cheers to our friendship. It's getting late. I should go home now. I'll call a taxi. Take care and get home safe. I had a great time today. Let's do this again soon. I'm going to a bookstore. I'm looking for a travel guide. I want to go to London. Have you been there before? Yes, it's a beautiful city. You'll love it there. I'm so jealous. I'm going to a museum. I love history. This exhibit is amazing. I'm learning so much. I'm feeling inspired. I feel much better. That sounds like a plan. Let me check my schedule. I'll get back to you soon. It's up to you. I don't mind at all. That's a great idea. I'm really proud of you. Keep up the good work. You can do it. Believe in yourself. Time flies so fast. I had a great time. I'm looking forward to it. Let's stay in touch. I'll be right there. Can I ask a question? How's everything going? Everything is fine. I'm so excited. Take a deep breath. Everything will be okay. Just be yourself. Let's wrap it up. It was nice talking to you. Give me a call. I'm so lucky. Life is beautiful. Enjoy every moment. I'm learning every day. Practice makes perfect. I love learning English. It's a sunny day. I'm going for a walk. The park is beautiful. I'm feeling positive. Today is a gift. I'm ready for bed. I'm turning off the lights. Sweet dreams. Tomorrow will be great. I did my best today. I'm a confident speaker. English is easy for me. I've finished the 500 sentences. I'm so proud of myself. I will keep practicing. Thank you for studying with me. Let's see you in the next video. Amazing job! You just finished 500 sentences. I am so proud of your hard work. Now you have the confidence to speak English every day. Remember, the secret is repetition. Come back to this video and practice every morning. Your English will get better and better. Thank you for watching and practicing with me. Don't forget to keep speaking.